Hey there. Most people who are in pain suffer a long time in chronic pain. Here's the truth. Most chronic pain sufferers never find lasting relief. They fail to regain their energy. They fail to enjoy normal activities. And they fail to reclaim their lives. And if that's your path, there's only one thing that can save you. You need a step-by-step system to reverse chronic pain without medications or side effects. And that's exactly what I want to give you. Here is my book called The 10 Best Ways to Supercharge Your Health. And from this book and the 50 years of practice, I have a lot of experience and I can share that with you. Just click on the video below and find out more. Thank you.